Good morning all. So in today's class we'll look at finding the volume of solid by using the method of disk or washers. So the first question is, so you need to find the volume of the solid that results when the region enclosed by the given curves is revolved about the x-axis. So you are given the region which is bounded by the curves y equal to root of 25 minus x square and y equal to 3. So let us look at the graph of the curve. So y equal to root of 25 minus x square, that is semicircle with radius 5, and so this will be the points. So here we will have the points 5 0, and this is the point 0 5. Then this is the line y equal to 3. So you have y equal to 3, y equal to root of 25 minus x square. So here you have f of x equal to root of 25 minus x square, and g of x is equal to 3. So f of x is greater than or equal to g of x. So here you need to know, so this is the given region, and this given region has to be revolved about the x-axis. So by the method of washers, so here when you revolve this particular region, so there will be a hole in between. So by method of washers, so volume of solid of revolution will be, so that will be equal to integral a to b pi f of x whole square minus g of x whole square dx. Now when y is equal to 3, so when you take root of 25 minus x square, that will be root 16. So this coordinate will be 4 3, and this coordinate will be minus 4 3. Okay. So therefore here a will be equal to minus 4 and b will be equal to 4. So let us substitute the value of a, b, f and g. So that is integral minus 4 to 4 pi the 25 minus x square വരെ നമ്മൾ square എടുത്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ minus 9 dx. So that will be pi integral minus 4 to 4 16 minus x square dx. So that is pi. Now this is an even function, so I can write 2 times integral 0 to 4 16 minus x square dx. So that is 2 pi 16x minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 4. So that is 2 pi. We will get 64 into 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is 2 pi into 64 into 2 by 3. So you'll be getting 256 by pi. So that is the required volume. Now next you need to find the volume of the solid which is obtained by revolving the region bounded by y equal to 9 minus x square and y equal to 0. So y equal to 9 minus x square, that's a parabola. So it will be centered at 9. So this will be the points 3 0 and minus 3 0. നമ്മൾ y equal to 0 എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ, so you will get x square equal to 9. So x will be plus or minus 3, and this will be the point 0 9. And this is y equal to 0. So you have y equal to 9 minus x square. So this is the region, and this has to be revolved about the x-axis. So here you will have a disk here. So by method of disk, so volume of, so here f of x will be 9 minus x square. So volume of solid of revolution is So that will be equal to integral minus 3 to 3 pi f of x is 9 minus x square whole square dx. So that will be equal to, again this is an even function, so 2 times integral 0 to 3 pi 9 minus x square whole square dx varum. Again so that is 2 pi integral 0 to 3 expanding by, you will get 81 minus 18x square plus x raised to 4 dx. So that is 2 pi. So upon integrating you will get 81 x minus 18 x cubed by 3 plus x raised to 5 by 5 from 0 to 3. So that is 2 pi 81 into 3 minus 6 into 3 cube varum, 6 into 3 cube plus 3 raised to 5 by 5. So that will be 2 pi, this will be 3 raised to 5, then minus here you will have 2 into 3 raised to 4 plus 3 raised to 5 by 5. So let me take 3 raised to 4 outside. So 3 minus 2 plus 3 by 5. So that is 2 pi into 81 into 1 plus 3 by 5. So that is 162 pi into 8 by 5. So take down the product and that will give you the final solution. And next we have a region that is bounded by y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 4. So let us look at the graph. So for sin x, this will be the shape of graph. For cos x, this will be the graph. So namukku vendiya region idana. So here the curve on the top. So this will be point of intersection pi by 4 ആയിരിക്കും. So here you have x equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 4. So here f of x is equal to cos x varum and g of x is equal to sin x. So here f of x greater than or equal to g of x for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 4. So therefore by method of washers, so volume of solid of revolution is, so that will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 pi cos square x minus sin square x dx. So that is pi integral 0 to pi by 4. So cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x dx. So that will be equal to pi sin 2x by 2 from 0 to pi by 4. So that is pi by 2 into sin 2 pi by 4 will be 1 minus 0. So the value is going to be equal to pi by 2. So next problem is find the volume of the solid generated when the region between the graph of the equation f of x equal to 1 by 2 plus x square and g of x equal to x over the interval 0 to is revolved about the x-axis. So let us look at the graph of f and g. So g is x. So that is the line y equal to f of x. ഇനി നമുക്ക് 1 by 2 plus x square in the graph വരിക. So that will be something like this. Okay. So here you have x equal to 2. So this will be the line x equal to 2. So here you have x equal to 0. So f will be, so this will be your f 1 by 2 plus x square and this will be your g x. So here you have f of x greater than or equal to g of x. So by method of washers, so volume will be given by, so volume of solved revolution. So that will be equal to integral 0 to 2 pi 1 by 2 plus x square whole square minus x square dx. So simplifying this we will get, so that will be equal to integral 0 to 2 pi. So we will get 1 by 4 plus x square plus x raised to 4 minus x square dx. So that is integral 0 to 2 pi x raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 dx varum. So that is pi x by 4 plus x raised to 5 by 5 from 0 to 2. So that is pi 2 by 4 plus 32 by 5 varum. So that is pi 1 by 2 plus 32 by 5. So that is pi 69 by 10. So the value will be 69 pi by 10. So that will be the required volume.